Hello students, welcome once again in DSS YouTube online classes. Student, this is Chaman Singh and today we will discuss our second reading part video of civics subject lesson number 4, key elements of a democratic government. Student, start the topic and also focus on difficult word meanings. Participation. Why do we have regular elections? You have already read in the previous chapter that people make the decisions in a democracy. Through voting in elections, people elect leaders to represent them. These representatives take decision on behalf of the meaning of representatives is a person who has been chosen to act or speak for somebody else or for a group. इन हिंदी प्रतिनिधि अर्थात एक ऐसा व्यक्ति जिसे लोग चुनते हैं और वो व्यक्ति चुन करके एक प्रतिनिधि होता है, बनता है और वो लोगों के लिए काम करता है. People, in doing so, it is assumed that they will keep in mind the voices and interests of the people. The meaning of assumed is to accept or believe that something is true even though you have no proof. अर्थात बिना प्रमाण के किसी चीज़ को स्वीकार कर लेना या मान लेना. Discuss. Look at some newspapers and discuss some elections that you may have read about. Why do you think elections are required after a fixed period? All governments are elected for fixed periods. In India, this period is 5 years. Once elected, governments can stay in power only for that period. If they want to continue to be in power, then they have to be re-elected by the people. This is a moment when people can sense their power in a democracy. In this way, the power of the government gets limited by regular elections. Other ways of participating. Elections are usually held once in 5 years. Besides voting, there are other ways of participating in the process of government. People participate by taking an interest in the working of the government and by criticizing it when required. The meaning of criticizing is to say what is bad or wrong with somebody or something. अर्थात कभी कोई चीज़ गलत होने पर किसी चीज़ या किसी की आलोचना करना. In August 2005, when particular government increased the money people had to pay for electricity, people expressed the disapproval very sharply. The meaning of disapproval is a feeling that something is bad or that somebody is behaving badly. अर्थात इसको हिंदी में हम कहते हैं किसी चीज़ को या किसी नियम को, कानून को अस्वीकार कर देना, अर्थात न मानना. They took out rallies and also organized a signature campaign. The meaning of signature campaign is to support against any reform of law or any public issue by collecting many more signatures. अर्थात हस्ताक्षर अभियान चलाना. अर्थात किसी नियम को बदलवाने के लिए या किसी चीज़ का विरोध करने के लिए सैकड़ों, हजारों, लाखों लोगों का हस्ताक्षर लेना, सिग्नेचर लेना. The government tried to explain and defend its decision, but finally listened to the people's opinion and withdrew the increase. The meaning of withdrew is to move or order somebody to move back or away from a place. अर्थात किसी को पीछे हटा देना या खुद पीछे हट जाना। The government had to change its decision because it is responsible to the people. There are many ways in which people express their views and make governments understand what actions they should take. These include dharnas, rallies, strikes, signature campaigns, etc. The meaning of strikes is a period of time when people refuse to work in any field of work, अर्थात हड़ताल कर देना, यानी किसी संस्था में काम करने वाले लोगों का कोई उनके प्रति भेदभाव होने पर हड़ताल कर देना या काम करने से मना कर देना। Things that are unfair and unjust are also brought forward. Newspapers, magazines and TV also play a role in discussing government's issues and responsibilities. While it is true that a democracy allows people to participate, it is also true that not all sections of people are actually able to do so. Another way for people to participate is by organizing themselves into social movements that seek to challenge the government and its functioning. Members of the minority community, Dalits, Adivasis, women and others are often able to participate in this manner. The meaning of minority is the smaller number or part of a group less than half, अर्थात अल्पसंख्यक होना, अर्थात किसी मेजॉरिटी से जहाँ पर एक समूह के लोगों की संख्या बहुत ज़्यादा हो उनसे आधे से भी कम होना, इसको अल्पसंख्यक कहते हैं। If a country's people are alert and interested in how country is run, the democratic character of the government of that country will be stronger. So the next time we see a rally winding through the streets of our cities and towns or villages, we should pause to find out what the rally is about, who is participating in it, and what they are protesting about. The meaning of protesting is to say or show that you are not approve of or agree with something, especially publicity, अर्थात विरोध प्रदर्शन करना, यानी किसी चीज़ को पसंद न करने पर उसके खिलाफ विरोध करना या सड़क पर उतर करके प्रदर्शन करना. This will help to give us a sense of how our governments work. So student, this is our reading section. I hope you have heard carefully, and if you have any doubt you can ask or comment on my WhatsApp number. Till stay safe, stay happy, and also learn all difficult word meanings. Good luck.